Hello everyone, my name is Marlene Villanueva and I'm going to explain two English vowel sounds. The first one is A, as in hot and father. And the second one is A, as in up, but, and calm. Let's start with A. This sound is an open back or rounded vowel, and in American English it's considered a short vowel. To pronounce it, open your mouth wide, lower your jaw, keep your tongue low and toward the back of your mouth, and relax your lips. Since it's a voice sound, your vocal cords vibrate while you pronounce it, like this. Ah, ah, ah. If we look at the vowel chart, we can see that ah is located at the bottom back part of the chart, which matches the position of the tongue when producing this sound. A common difficulty for Spanish speakers is that English spelling is not always regular. For example, the letter O is pronounced as A in words like hot and not, even though many speakers expect it to sound like the Spanish O. To avoid this mistake, remember to relax your lips and open your mouth wider than for any other vowel. The vowel sound ah can appear at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of a word, although it is more common in the middle. For example, initial position on, olive, honest, option. Middle position hot, father, stop, rock, body, dollar. Final position spa, bra. The spelling of this sound is not always the same. It is often written with the letters O, as in hot and stop, or A, as in father and spa. The most common spelling patterns are O, hot, not, stop, rock, box, body. A, father, spa, bar. Al, calm, palm, half. Ar, car, park, dark, star. English spelling is not always regular, so the same vowel sound can be represented by different letters. That is why it's important to learn the pronunciation of each word instead of relying only on its spelling. Now let's move on to A. This is an open mid-center or rounded vowel, and it is also a short vowel. Unlike A, the mouth is only slightly open, and the tongue it stays relaxed in the center of the mouth. The lips remain relaxed and the vocal cords vibrate. The sound is short and natural. On the vowel chart, A is found in the center lower area. This shows that the tongue is more centered than in A. Many Spanish speakers find this sound difficult because it doesn't exist in Spanish. For example, come may sound like calm if the vowel is pronounced incorrectly. The best way to produce a is to keep the sound short and relaxed without moving the lips too much. The vowel sound can appear at the beginning or in the middle of a word, but it does not usually appear at the end of English words. For example, initial position up, under, ugly, uncle, us, medial position, butt, cup, luck, run, son, come, love, mother, country. Final position. This sound does not normally occur at the end of English words. The most common spelling patterns are you, up, butt, cup, duck, son, oh, calm, love, mother, son, money, you, enough, country, cousin, trouble, touch, double O, blood, flood. Because English spelling is irregular, it's important to learn the pronunciation of each word instead of depending only on its spelling. To finish, although these two vowels may sound similar, they are produced differently. A is pronounced with the mouth open much wider and the tongue more toward the back, while A is produced with the tongue in the center of the mouth and a smaller mouth opening. Thank you for your attention, and I hope you now have a better understanding of these two vowel sounds.